now we will explain the component of the PC stick. But before we will explain about it, now we will introduce ourselves. So my name is James Stephen Ezekiel. I am from EN1C, and also NIM is 1905052003.
My name is Mohamad. I am from EN1C, Polytechnic Negeri Medan.
My name is Ilham saufi. I am from EN1C, Polytechnic Negeri Medan.
And we will explain the function of these components. And now we will open in this PS. Okay.
We will explain the component of stick PS. 1. PCB board. PCB board serves to connect the manual control system to the program. 2. Analogs. Analogs as a director in the game. 3. L1 and R1, L2R and R2. Button functions as a complement in the game.
Okay, next function is the cable. Connected to the PCB board serves to carry an electric current to PCB board so that the device connected to the PCB can be used. This is of skeleton serves to protect the parts connection to the PCB board, and as a place for the other buttons, and suck us around the triangle X.
Okay, next, this is the rubber. Function the rubber serve as a protective barrier as a button bending device which is connected to the PC board. Okay, this is light. Okay, like as a sign that all systems are active and ready to use. Okay.
Then we will put the PS stick back on.
Okay.
Attach PC board and analog to the framework.
Sekali nampakkan juga kami. We will check board stick.
Then the attack L1,
Right one,
right one, left one to the framework.
Okay, so we will put the screwdriver. Okay.
And we'll put the PS stick back on by pairing the nut with a screwdriver as before.
Okay. And this cable. So
Then put the two frameworks together. and the attack of nuts. And the screwdriver. Attack nuts. Screwdriver again. And then attack left 2 and right 2
Okay.
to the framework.
Okay. We will attack it. Now we will attack right 2 again.
Okay.
Finish.
Okay, that's all from our introduce to parts of sticks and the components of stick PS. Thank you very much.
Okay. Don't forget for subscribe and push the bell for your see my next video. See you. Okay. Thank you.